Hello, today I want to look at three major Nigerian languages and make a sentence and translate it in the three major Nigerian languages. So the first one I want to say is enter. Enter. In Igbo is bata, nabu, bata. So Yoruba we say ewole, wole, ewole. Then Hausa we say shiga, shiga. The next one is I have heard, I have heard. And Igbo will say anugom, anugom. Yoruba will say motibo, motibo. And Hausa will say naji, naji. The last one but not the least, I'm going to look at how much, how much. You go to a seller, someone who sells things, you say how much. In Igbo you say egone, egone. In Yoruba we say eloni, eloni. And in Hausa you say nawane, nawane. Thank you. See you in my next class. Bye.